By the way, I'm just going to go straight unless you tell me otherwise.
Yeah. Yep, just straight.
Never hold straight.
Yep, round to the right.
Yeah, I know that. I can
Well,
see that.
I'm just making it like looking on Google Maps. I get the impression some people have gone wrong there and taken the wrong lane.
I don't know how you could, ironically.
This is nice.
Pretty, isn't it? It's quite cool that you could technically just use this if you lived around here.
Yeah, I was going to say technically it's a perfectly normal road,
Yeah.
quotation marks.
It just happens to be next to a field.
Yeah, and it's just not tarmac.
Oh, there's sheeps.
Tarmac.
The sheep's way in the distance.
Your first sheeps. Well, they're clouds. They're clouds on land, from what I can see from here. Yeah, land
but
clouds.
they look like sheep still. So I will conclude that they are sheep.
Are they moving though?
I don't know, they're too far away.
Are they not like pushers? You keep an eye on the road, quotation marks.
I was looking at the sheeps and then there was a pothole. I feel like I didn't want to hit that too hard.
Well, we go.
But.
Should have really done some video in.
Well, you missed a trick there, didn't you?
You've got to tell me these things when you see fun bits.
It's just a pothole. Wee. Didn't unlock the keys.
Remember to unlock the keys.
I did it. I was going to put them in the cup. Do you want to hold my hands?
I'll hold your hands. I want to hold your hand. Hold your hand. Well, isn't this rather beautiful?
This is pretty, isn't it? This could make a good photograph.
Maybe.
Hold on, let me stop.
Oh,
No,
stop.
I need it to be a bit more rutty, I think. I feel like it don't look dramatic.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah,
dun,
I want a bit of drama to my life.
Bringing time out.
You want me to display?
No, I was talking to my phone.
What do you mean?
Because the phone keeps
I know we're in the middle of nowhere, but I feel like displaying in public is still not a thing, you know?
I don't know, who's to see it apart from the land clouds in the Jesus.
Land clouds and Jesus.
And the land clouds in the distance.
Land clouds and the Jesus. Are you okay there?
Shake, rattle and roll.
Seems fine to me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh look, this will break a nice photograph. I'm going to stop just here. Just here. I know it's not very dramatic, but I think it's pretty, so. You go, look at that. Let's go. He went on up ahead to go and get pictures and he got quite far away. I thought about just reversing all the way back and leaving him in the middle of nowhere, but then I remembered that's kind of mean, so I won't do that. I said pictures, I meant videos. I don't know what I mean anymore. Duff, to my window up. This is pretty, but there's no sheep, which makes me sad. I want the sheeps. Eee. Ratty mutt rat face. Don't want to do that in a Vauxhall Corsa. Oh, there's a person walking way in the distance. Oh no, they're jogging, I think.
All the jiggies. Oh, there's a dog.
There is a dog.
The dog says, I'm grumpy, there's a car on my lane.
Yeah, always hear a car, yeah. Don't want to hit the dog. Boom. I can't see the dog. It's one thing I don't think people realise.
No.
By the way, I hope we don't need our tyres to do tyres. They're filled up with mud already.
Yeah, they are. It's because they're biting.
I don't know why, because it's not slippery.
Not yet.
They could just chill.
A little bit.
Duff.
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 Duff. Do you ever expect someone to be grumpy just because they very rarely see somebody?
A little bit, almost as to say, why are you here?
Exactly. Did they think they remembered they left their trailer behind? Oh, that looks fun.
That's a nice trailer.
We weren't meant to turn right there, I take.
No.
Good news.
This one, you just follow, literally nice and simple. You just follow this until you get to the end, which is coming up shortly.
Oh. Whoop, whoop. Good navigations. I'm surprised how far you managed to walk, you know.
I was.
Walk/run.
Yeah.
I saw you doing like a little...
I did a waddle.
Is that what you call that?
Yeah. It's definitely not a run.
No?
No.
It looked like a run from behind.
And then I realised I was getting breathy, and I thought, all you're going to hear on the video is...
Then again, you'll hear me talking to myself on, like there, and I sounded out of breath, and I don't know why, because I just walked around the car. I think I just forgot to breathe.
Dunk.
I think a stone might have just pinged up. 30 mile an hour.
Oh, no.
I could have gone 30 down there, to be fair. I just wasn't, because I was a responsible individual.
A little bit.
That's a bit slippery.
If you want to hold up when you get to Underbody,
Hold up.
just so I can...
So I'll go a bit further down just because that looks like a bit of an awkward place to stop. Oh, look at that church.
Ooh.
I'll stop here. It's a little bit wide, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Oh, look, snowdrops.